everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Fidor Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.fidor.de and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page, mouse over the login button at the top right and select Banking. Fidor Bank is a pioneering German digital bank based in Munich and Berlin. You can easily access your online banking account by entering your login credentials in the login area. Type in the email address that is associated with your online banking account in the first text box. Now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the password link at the top and follow through the on-screen prompts. Finally, click the login button after entering the correct credentials and you should be able to access your Fidor Bank online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.